Oh, that's just not gonna do. So it is 2021. I don't know why manufacturers are still doing anything with halogen bulbs. I feel a lot of new equipment, especially with something like this, with the price point that it's at, should be coming with LED lights of some sort. So what I did is went onto eBay and I found a person who makes LED headlights for equipment like this. So this is a full LED bulb and it actually has a projector housing in it. If you look in the description, I'm going to post the name of the seller who makes these. You can check them out. This is actually a new model that he's currently testing that I was fortunate enough to be able to get. He makes many different bulbs, different brightness levels. But yeah, go on there, check it out. They're not very expensive. They run maybe 15, 16, 20 bucks, something like that. It's not a lot. So we're gonna go through, we're gonna install these and see how much of a difference it makes. Pretty simple stuff, nothing crazy. These are just a simple, twist out of the housing, put the new bulb in. So I'm just gonna come in here under the hood. The bulb is gonna pop out. I'm actually going to grab a clean cloth here, just so that I don't get skin oils on that, just because I'm going to save these. I don't want to do anything that's going to damage the bulb. I know with bulbs like this, sometimes heat with oils from your hands on there can be harmful. So basically you just push in, turn this a little bit. These little pins on the side are going to lock into that housing. Easy, simple. We can put in the new bulb. So the LED bulb, be careful with it. Pretty simple. We're gonna line up the pins, push in, turn, locked in. It's that simple. It's a very easy thing to do. Simple upgrade. And it looks kind of cool too, having projectors. And there we go. Do the other side and we'll test it out. And there we have it, our new bulbs are installed. So altogether this probably took like a minute and a half. It's gonna be quite a bit faster because obviously you saw it sped up. I know, not the most interesting video in the world, but we'll see what some bright LED headlights will do on this thing. So let's check it out. So as you can see, made a decent difference. I think LED is definitely going to last quite a bit longer. They're a bit more durable. I'll just keep an eye on these in the long run. If I have any issues, I'll let you know. But other than that, I think they're going to be a great upgrade. For the cost, you can't beat it. They're really not that expensive for a projector LED bulb like that. It's a pretty neat feature, and they look cool. It's a great upgrade if you do any kind of nighttime work or evening work. If you have some sort of lawn care business, what have you, and you do anything, working late hours into the evening, something like this, definitely worth the upgrade. It helps a lot seeing, higher spots in grass, anything like that. So definitely recommend for now. So hopefully they keep working strong and I get some good use out of them. Thanks for watching. One more thing, I'm gonna go out on a limb. I'm gonna say that these types of bulbs are gonna work for pretty much any John Deere lawn tractor. I just looked at the D105 and it looked like to be the same bulb. Now I did not exactly try it. However, I think, any company, John Deere, Cub Cadet, Husqvarna, any of those brands, are all most likely going to use a similar bulb style for all their headlights. Of course, the housing is going to be a little bit different, but the bulb itself probably the same. So I think no matter what series tractor you have, whether it be a D, an E, an S, and I don't know, L, I think LA, the X series, all of them are going to use a similar style bulb. And when you go to look at these lights, I think he has on there all the models it fits. And I do think they're pretty much compatible with most all the models. So you shouldn't have an issue there. I know, that was very boring. Just bear with me. I have a few accessories I want to hang on this thing, and eventually once I get through some of those, we're going to get some more tow behind implements, we're going to get to the sleeve hitch implements, and these videos will get a little bit more entertaining, hopefully a little more interesting. Like I said, just bear with me. I know this stuff's boring, but we'll get through it. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.